Hello students, in the last video I explained ICSE English Language bifurcated syllabus of class 10. Now in this video I am going to explain bifurcated English Literature syllabus of class 10, and in addition to that you will also be getting ISC bifurcated syllabus of English Language and Literature class 12. So here you see students, semester 1 of class 10 literature, in the drama The Merchant of Venice, scene 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 of act 3, and from the treasure trove poems I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings and The Patriot, while the short stories contain The Little Match Girl and The Blue Bed. Okay, and you have already known that this first semester will be of 40 marks on MCQ based pattern of questions, as I told you in English language. Now I am coming to semester 2. It is also of 40 marks. It would be of descriptive type of questions and could be conducted offline, of course depending upon the pandemic situation. Here you see students, the drama The Merchant of Venice, act 1 and scene 1 and 2 of act 4 and act 5 the whole part. Next, from treasure trove, the poems which have been kept are: first, Abu Ben Adhem and 9 gold medals. Then the short stories contain My Greatest Olympic Prize and All Summer in a Day. Okay. Next, I will be explaining the ISC class 12 bifurcated syllabus of English Language and Literature. It is also up to semesters, 40 marks each of the semesters. First semester in month of November or December 2021, and the second semester in March or April of 2022. Likewise, class 10, here also you see students in the first semester comprehension and grammar are kept and will be conducted online, and the second semester covers composition, directed writing and proposal writing. It could be conducted offline, of course depending upon the pandemic situation of the country. Come in ISC class 12 English Literature. Here you find students semester 1, which is of online exam based on MCQ pattern of questions. The drama The Tempest, act 3 the whole portion is kept. Act 3 whole portion. Okay, and from Echoes, which is the collection of short stories, 2 stories have been taken. First one, To Build a Fire, and the second one, The Story of an Hour. And Reverie, which is the collection of ISC poems, includes The Darkling Thirst, Birches and Crossing the Bow. Okay. Next come to semester 2, which will be framed on descriptive type of questions and could be conducted offline in the month of March or April 2022. Here, in the second semester, from the drama The Tempest, Act 4 and 5 have been kept. From Echoes, the collection of short stories, the singing lesson, the sound machine, and B. Wordsworth are kept. Finally, from Reverie, Dubovich, and We Are the Music Makers. Right. Now, I'll be talking of ICSE Class 9 and ISC Class 11. Here, you see students, no change is written. Therefore, schools will have to follow the ICSE and ISC regulations and syllabi as stipulated on the site. The schools will entirely decide how many units, subunits, and terminals should be taken throughout the year based on those syllabi and regulations given on the site. Okay? Today, the video is up to this. In the upcoming videos, I'll be teaching each of the syllabi discussed here. Right? Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, then you can ask me in the comment below. Happy learning!